Hey guys, welcome back. I want to teach you how to speak English faster so that you can sound more natural. You sound as native English speakers do. You know, when they speak really fast, they don't think, but there is a trick to speaking faster in English. No, it's not increasing the speed, how fast you're speaking, but it is using reductions. Using reductions that English speakers use all the time. In this video lesson, we'll go through 10 common reductions. We'll go through their use to help you better understand, use them so that you can also speak faster in English. Now, if this is the first time you're here on my YouTube channel, welcome. My name's Adriana from EnglishTeacherAdriana.com. I help English learners improve their English, boost their confidence, to finally speak English confidently. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notifications so that you know you get that bell when I post my next video lesson here to help you improve your English. Guys, to help you remember, but most importantly, use these reductions when speaking in English, I suggest that you use and apply the shadowing technique. So while you're watching this video lesson, copy, shadow, imitate me so that you can remember and use them to speak faster in English. Go and find yourself a quiet corner and let's begin with the first reduction. Now the first reduction is wanna. Wanna. Now this is a reduced form of the words want to. So for example, the sentence, I want to hold your hand. Now want to, it's really slow, it's not natural. A faster way of saying this would be, I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. Or the sentence, I want to go to the movies. Here we could use a reduction, I wanna go to the movies. I want to go to the movies. See how it's a lot more faster? It's more natural. When we say, I want to go to the movies, it sounds very robotic. Instead, use a reduction. I want to go to the movies. I want to go to the movies. Or the sentence, they want to come over for dinner tonight. Here, we can use a reduction. They want to come over for dinner tonight. They want to come over for dinner tonight. They want to come over for dinner tonight. Now the second reduction is LEMME, and this is a shortened form of the words let me. Sounds a little bit strange when I just say it like that. Let's use it in a sentence so that you can hear this being used naturally. For example, the sentence let me go. If you said let me go, it's not very natural. A faster way of saying this would be let me go, let me go, let me go. Or the sentence, will my mother let me play outside? Here, a faster way of saying this will be using the reduction LEMME. Will my mother let me play outside? Will my mother let me play outside? Will my mother let me play outside? Or the sentence, she will let me play outside. Again, we could use the reduction, she'll let me play outside. She'll let me play outside. Also here, I use the contracted form of she will to she'll. She'll let me play outside. She'll let me play outside. Moving on to the third reduction, gimme. Gimme. Now this is a reduced form of the words give me. Give me. For example, give me a break. Here we can say this a lot faster. Give me a break. Give me a break. Give me a break. Or the sentence, give me the car keys. A faster way of saying this would be, give me the car keys. Give me the car keys. Or can you please give me your phone number? A faster way of saying this could be, can you please give me your phone number? Can you please give me your phone number? For outer. Outer. Now, outer is a reduced form of the words out of. Outer. For example, the sentence, get out of here. Get out of here. Here, we can reduce this and say, get out of here. Get out of here. Or the sentence, they need to get out of the bedroom. Now here you could use two reductions. You could not only reduce out of to outer, but also need to neater. For example, they need to get out of the bedroom. They need to get out of the bedroom. So here, neater, outer. They need to get out of the bedroom. Or the sentence, the cat jumped out of the basket. Here we could reduce out of to outer. The cat jumped out of the basket. The cat jumped out of the basket. Out of the basket. The cat jumped out of the basket. Now the fifth reduction is kinda. Kinda. This is a reduced form of the words kind of. Kind of. For example, the sentence, I'm kind of out of luck. So here, instead of saying I'm kind of, we could use a reduction kinda. I'm kinda out of luck. I'm kinda out of luck. Or the sentence, it's kind of like when you wake up from a bad nightmare. So instead of saying it's kind of, we could use a reduction, kinda. Here, it's kinda like when you wake up from a bad nightmare. It's kinda like when you wake up from a bad nightmare. Or she kind of likes him. Here, again, we could reduce kind of to kinda. She kinda likes him. She kinda likes him. Now the sixth reduction is dunno. Dunno. Now this sounds so strange on its own, but it sounds really natural in a sentence. Dunno is a contracted form of the words don't know. Okay, let's have a look at the example here. I don't know what to do. Now we could reduce this and say, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. So here, notice dunno. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Or they don't know where your book is. Here we could use a reduction, dunno. They don't know where your book is. They don't know where your book is. They don't know. They don't know. They don't know. They don't know where your book is. Or I don't know where my car keys are. Here we could use a reduction. I don't know where my car keys are. I don't know where my car keys are. Now the seventh reduction is watcher. Watcher. And this is a shortened form of the words what have you. So instead of saying, for example, what have you been doing? You could reduce this and say, what you been doing? What you been doing? Watcher. What you been doing? Or the sentence, what have you seen recently? We could reduce this and say, what you seen recently? What you seen recently? Or what have you done to this room? Again, we could use a reduction. What you done to this room? What you done to this room? Guys, this reduction is used a lot in a lot of TV shows and movies. It's great to know this. Pay attention to it and shadow as you hear it being used in a lot of English shows. Now the eighth reduction is INNIT. INNIT. And this is a reduced form of the words isn't it. For example, the sentence, isn't it funny how things turned out? Here we can reduce this and say, isn't it funny how things turned out? Isn't it funny how things turned out? Or the sentence, isn't it worth it? Here we could reduce this and say, isn't it worth it? Isn't it worth it? Or the sentence, isn't it uncomfortable? Again, we could reduce this and say, isn't it uncomfortable? Isn't it uncomfortable? Moving on to the ninth reduction, sorta. Sorta. This is a reduced form of the words sort of. For example, the sentence, I'm sort of tired. Here we could reduce this and say, I'm sort of tired. I'm sort of tired. Or the sentence, they're sort of sick of his jokes. Here we could reduce this and say, they're sort of sick of his jokes. They're sort of sick of his jokes. Or the sentence, he's sort of weird. Here we could reduce sort of to, he's sort of weird. He's sort of weird. Notice here I also contract he is to his, he's sort of weird. Now the 10th reduction is LOTSA. LOTSA. This is a reduced form of the words lots of. For example, the sentence, there's lots of birds outside. Here we could reduce lots of to LOTSA. There's lots of birds outside. There's lots of birds outside. Or there's still lots of food on your plate. Here we could reduce lots of to LOTSA. There's still lots of food on your plate. There's still lots of food on your plate. Or we had lots of fun at the party last night. Here we can reduce lots of to LOTSA. We had lots of fun at the party last night. We had lots of fun at the party last night. Remember guys that practice makes perfect. Make sure to watch this video lesson a few times. Use and apply the shadowing technique to help you remember and use these reductions to help you speak faster in English. Remember guys, if you found this video lesson useful, please do let me know by smashing that like button. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on notifications so that you know, get that bell when I post my next video lesson here to help you improve your English. Continue learning with me by downloading my free audio guide where I share with you exactly what you need to be doing every single day to drastically improve your confidence speaking in English. Thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next lesson. Bye for now.